student in college, and I just I have to have it. Being a student in college, it's good to have a nice visual image, and afterwards it is John McCain himself, so I figured why not bring it to the rally where he's going to be, and it's a very unique thing to have.
Yeah. Where did you find it?
I found it at a local mall back where I'm from in Harrisonburg.
So, and you're a student at JMU.
Yes, ma'am.
What year are you?
I'm a senior.
Are you involved with the Young Republicans?
Yes, ma'am. I am very involved with the CRs, the College Republicans.
Do y'all have a group here today, or?
Just a few of us were able to come today. We have a whole lot more back home right now doing door-to-door knocks, doing phone banking. Last 2 weeks got to step it up, and so a few of us came here today because we had some time off to support John McCain.
So it's just you and John today?
Yeah, just me and John today.
Oh, great. Was there anything in particular that drew you to the rally today, other than the opportunity to see him so close?
Well, I've actually missed a few rallies myself because I've been involved in the College Republicans. I didn't have time to come to the rallies when it came to Fredericksburg and Fairfax. Sorry.
Yeah.
And so I never really got a chance. And today I knew he was coming down, which is only about an hour and a half away, 2 hours away from here. I was like, I got to come see him. I got to see him before the election. So I really wanted to come see him today.
Great.